How to change the country or region on the SHEIN app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of SHEIN application. So here you can see on the screen there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of SHEIN application. Next, tap on open and it will land you to the SHEIN application itself. Now as I've already logged into my account, here you can tap on the image section at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on me, it will land you to your profile. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of location. So just tap on location and right now it's set for Nepal. You can just scroll and select any of the other countries over here. Here I'm going to select on Iceland over here for now. So you can just continue to IS website and then you'll be able to change your country or region on the SHEIN app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.